Hello, I'm Dr. Beth Godey.
And I'm Dr. Martha Leatherman. I'm a geriatric specialist in psychiatry.
And I'm a neuropsychologist, and I specialize in aging.
We're experts in dementia care, and we're here to provide you some information and answer some questions that we hear very commonly about dementia and other issues in aging. Hi, one of the most problematic things that comes up for people is finding resources to help with caregiving for dementia or information about dementia. And it's funny because we've spent our careers writing books, publishing articles, putting things up on YouTube, giving talks to families and patients about what information is available out there and how to find things. And people still have trouble finding them. And they sort of expect their doctor, when the diagnosis is made, to hand them a stack of information on here's what you do. And it's just not real common yet in the medical workplace for people to get all the information they need.
And part of that is because this is such a specialized area that not a lot of information is readily available in just our physicians' offices. You really do have to seek out some of the information yourself. So we thought maybe for this presentation we'd give you some ideas of websites and books and places to go to get more information about caregiving, dementia, and all the issues in elder care.
At the beginning and end of these clips, we have our website, which has primary information, but also has links to other organizations and information.
For instance, the Alzheimer's Association is a major resource. There's the Alzheimer's Foundation as well.
The Alzheimer's Association has actual physical offices in many cities, and if you don't have one nearby, they're on the web.
And they have a hotline that you can call and talk to someone and get information as well.
There's a website-based training series called mmlearn.org. And they actually have videos with basic information about dementia, about elder care, even very practical things such as how to give someone a bath in bed, how to lift or turn a patient, those kinds of things.
There's also a number of organizations for the different types of dementia. There's the Parkinson's Association,
the Lewy Body Association for very specialized types of dementia, the Frontotemporal Dementia Foundation.
Right. And you can either call them or go online and find out information. Many of these organizations will have family support groups or some sorts of resources for families so that you can learn as much as possible from other families how to manage behaviors and caregiving.
There's a classic book called The 36-Hour Day that's available online and in almost every bookstore as well that you can look at, that gives sort of tips and day-to-day practical information about living with someone with Alzheimer's disease.
And also, there is an online caregiver, there are several online caregiver associations where you can submit questions and get answers to your questions. But also, you need to check within your community to see what kinds of resources there are for elder care and for aging services.
Because there are a lot of local support groups and information groups available. We hope this has been helpful. It's not exhaustive, but if you go on the internet, do a web search, ask somebody to help you. You can go to the library, and the resource librarians will help you go online and look for these things. There's a universe of information out there, and seek it out because it will make your life easier.
It really will. Thanks.
For more answers to questions like these, our book, The Insider's Guide to Dementia Care, is available at Amazon.com.